Did it twist?
No, it just slipped. Skewed. Crushing it. Did it move? No, it didn't.
No.
Just try one more, then we'll put the torch on it. Oh, it's twisting.
Is it?
Yeah, it moves.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Let's try these bad boys.
Damn.
Okay, let's put a foot right here. You push, make sure you go down. Oh man. I need to stop wanting to turn. Let's turn.
Jesus.
Barely.
But now that it's
Because
broken
it's
free,
yeah.
now it's gonna be pretty easy to like get knocked out.
Pop out.
Yeah.
Right there, stop. Alright. Sounded cool. Sounded cool.
Oh yeah. Yeah, now we got a smaller piece to work with.
Oh, you need to go flat. Flat. Alright, see what you got.
It's not even drilling it yet. It's just gliding on it.
You just got the flare. Okay, well you're also going. Yeah, you got the flare. It doesn't exist.
Here, I just did it.
It's straight up and down with the pipe. Alright, I think you got it. You got enough to get a screwdriver, and that'll definitely crack.
Yep. Most barbaric way to do this, but when you don't have anything else.
Put your foot on that side, Michael. Keep it from going that way. That's working. Just keep it from sliding.
Yeah, it is working, alright. Yep.
There it is.
Woo!
I think you gotta keep collapsing it for a bit. Yeah, you're gonna have to
Work
break
it.
it fully or something. I keep knocking it in before it cuts away. I'm gonna hit it right down here.
I think if we just pinch it.
You don't notice?
Yeah, our vice grips.
Tell you what, these are
Better?
better than vice grips if you get that grab.
Hold on, let's just crush it some more. Leave it right there and we'll just crush it.
Grab the whole thing.
Hold on. Did it break?
No.
Okay, sorry. Just paranoid. Yeah, just crush it in.
But you can't crush it all in because that piece is still
Attached.
circle at the bottom. I don't really want to knock it across the...
On the cast, yeah.
Yeah. Slightly primed. I'm doing it baby style.
Here, let me see. I'm gonna edit this down and make it look like we did it in like 2 seconds.
That definitely ain't gonna fucking work.
Yeah. We did all this work in like 39 minutes.
Try and hold it up. Yeah. I feel like you got it now.
I'm getting it. Look at the teamwork. I think we'll just keep drilling on it.
Watch the wall. You're on the wall. Yeah. Be careful. Yeah.
Damn, now it doesn't want to stay still.
I mean, you almost got there. You almost connected those holes.
Yeah.
You probably can just fucking mill it. Hell, a chisel will break each one of those walls.
That'd be cool. It just falls out. Just like, yeah. Damn.
Here, let me see. Sloppy little son of a bitch.
I know. Such a little whore.
back this way.
I'm gonna get those. Well, I guess.
So.
That side's twisted.
Almost.
Oh my god, so close. It's like a pickle jar. Yep. Yeah, pull it out.
Oh, come on.
Grab. Alright, wait. Yeah, grab those guys. Woo! Come on, that's it.
Don't you want to see the world?
Come out of your hole. Oh my god.
God, it's coming.
Dude, yeah, keep going. You're almost there. Oh! Bro!
Hang that on your wall or something.
I know. I got another bolt that was this hard. We gotta keep this guy. Damn!
Damn, look at that shit.
That is crazy.
Just take you a little
Yep,
Scotch
clean it
Brite,
up.
Yeah. Run a lot of water, get all that shavings out of there.
Damn, dude. Y'all are awesome, thanks. Fuck, yeah. Alright, so now that we got that hose barb out the most brutal way possible, we're gonna go ahead and take this sandpaper and just clean this up a little bit, just so this AN16 bung goes in there nicely, and then we're gonna have that welded on. So here we go. Alright guys, so now that we got that all cleaned up, we're headed to Langley welding service again to get that pressed in and welded up. So here we go. I don't know. Oh, it's going in crooked.
I got bigger hammers too if you need one of those.
I might, but... A press would have been better, but...
I can weld that.
Yeah, let's just leave it there. That's good enough. It'll give me a little extra length, so cool.
Yeah, I can get in there. I can get
Yeah, I was like, this side's gonna be a bear.
It'll be a bitch.
Yeah.
It might not be as beautiful as
That's fine. I'm okay with
But
that.
I'll weld it, no problem.
Okay, cool. Cool, man. Appreciate it. Alright, huge shout out to Brian at Langley Welding Service. He absolutely killed it again. He went ahead and dropped a socket over the top of it and pressed it in the rest of the way. But it came out great. And if you don't remember, or if you haven't seen the videos, he actually welded on these AN16 bungs. He cut off the hose barbs, got those knocked out. The dude's awesome. He is in Arlington, so if you need anything welded up in the DFW area, definitely give Langley Welding Service a shout. They'll get you taken care of. And this is why we went through all that trouble, because I just could not sleep at night knowing that this is how I was gonna run one of my AN lines. It just wasn't working out. I used this hose like cover just to kind of disguise it, but ugh, look at it. So we it looks so bad. But we used a hose bar fitting to go to AN16 fitting, which I was really worried that it was gonna, like, we were gonna have to notch the hood just for this guy. I know we're probably gonna have to notch it for this, but I did not want to have to notch it for this ugly thing. I knew there was a better way out there, and that's why we went through all the trouble. So let's get this on there. Alright guys, so we got it installed, and I'm an idiot and forgot that the car water pump does not work with the truck accessories. So no big deal. They make a spacer kit to space this out accordingly, so this belt will ride on it appropriately. But let's just see, get an idea of how this is all gonna work. It's gonna be something like that, and then we got a 180 to come off this guy, couple bulkheads over there. So now we can start making our AN line. So hopefully that helped y'all out on showing you that it is possible to remove that bar and to modify a water pump to accept AN16 lines. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We will see y'all next time. Peace.